This is the elevator at Amberson Gardens Apartments in Shadyside / North Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And look at this, we have a very old elevator to ride. Look at this. The controller in this elevator is very messed up. So I'll get back to you once it comes. And it's here. It's an old Haughton elevator. Look at this. The inside buttons have obviously been replaced with EPCO fixtures, probably in the 70s. Go down to level C. If we can. This controller is completely messed up. Yeah, I knew it. This thing is really messed up. Maybe like people have called in and given up. I don't know. I think this is just a really messed up controller. It's an old Haughton original call buttons, but I think the inside buttons have been replaced with EPCO in the 70s. I'm gonna go down and see. I'm just gonna let it do its thing. This thing is completely messed up. In here at the top floor, even though I did not want to do that at first. Oh well. We'll just get a cavity wall going down. Anyway. Whoa. There's a certificate in case fire nights elevators. There's smoking the elevator certificate sign. Pretty basic old cab, and we're stopping randomly. An interesting indicator. This thing is really messed up. Pretty basic green, dark green cab, old Haughton elevator. This is a really messed up elevator. Obviously the inside buttons have been replaced with EPCO and probably in the 70s. Original controller though it has the original call buttons, the black buttons, like the mushroom buttons or something. This elevator is really messed up. Here we are at level C. There's a tray lighting. There's your really noisy, annoying fan. We'll go back up to 1 if we can. Hopefully we can now. Here's your escape hatch. Interior back up